Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 10 of the LeetCode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the like button, what? Hit the subscribe button. Oh my man, this is already off to a good start. I am solving these live, but come join me on Discord. Let's chat, do whatever you need, and let's do today's fun. Best time to buy and sell stock too. I think we did a couple of these last month. You can probably search for them from even just previous month, but let's see which one this is because there's just so many variations these days. I don't know how much time I want to spend on this one today because I feel like I'm going to explain it the same way. So I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so given price, you can buy and then immediately sell it. So each day you can buy or sell the stock. You can buy and hold at least one share at any time. However, you can buy and then sell it on the same day. Of course, buying it on selling it on the same day is kind of silly, right? It doesn't make any sense. So yeah. So we can do it just like the dynamic programming way, which I'll there is a kind of I think so. Yes, you can do it with dynamic programming, and that's going to be linear time and all that stuff. I think the thing I would think about is also okay. It's kind of case analysis, right? So basically, let's say you have some scenarios. Let's go over some of them. I think there's only 4 of these where you have, let's say, 3 different things. So let's say A, B, and C. In that case, it doesn't matter whether if you buy from A. When you buy from A, then it doesn't matter if you sell it on B and then buy it on B and C, right? So the idea here is that there's it's not transitive, but C minus B plus B minus A is equal to C minus A, right? So that's kind of the thing here. So in this case, you just take the differences between the adjacent ones, and then you can think about the other case, right? So now there's the other case is something like this. Well, in this case, you would buy A, sell it at B, and that's it, right? Here, you would not buy, looking backwards, you'd be like, okay, I'm not going to buy it at B because you can buy it at C later, right? So there are only a couple of cases, right? Because if for 2 adjacent days, if it goes down, then you just assume, okay, maybe another way of saying it is, okay, let's just look at adjacent elements, because let's say we always buy and sell after 1 day, right? Then all you have to do is go, okay, there are only a couple of scenarios. If this is a scenario where it went up after you go, and of course in this case it's just the same as buying both of them independently, like buying at A, selling at B, buying at B, selling at C, right? Here in this case, you buy it at A, sell it at B, and then just ignore this part. And then, if this goes this, then, that doesn't matter. We just keep on ignoring it. And then if it goes to some other D, then we obviously just buy at C anyway. So in this case, we just buy at B and buy at A, sell at B. And then another scenario is this. And in this case, of course, you just ignore A, kind of the same way that we have here in a sort of an induction type thing. And then the last case is, of course, this case, which we talked about. And of course, in this case, we will just not buy at any of these, right? So here, I think it's sufficient to just look at adjacent ones and then always take the money if you can. And then if you don't, then you don't. And in that case, you can do something like, I'm going to write it out, even though I probably, this is in the shortest code because I am not intending to. But you have something like this where you have prices of I plus 1 minus prices of I. So this is the potential profit. And then total profit is equal to 0. And then here, total profit, we just add that to the potential profit unless it's less than 0, because that means that you're going down. Then we just take this of this, right? And that should be pretty much it. And of course, you can write in your favorite one-liner, but I am trying to be a little bit illustrative. Let's, oh, how do I do this? Oh, there you go. But yeah, I think that's all the scenarios that you can do. And of course, here you can see that this is all of n time and all of one space. Hopefully this is good, otherwise I'll be looking a little silly. Okay, so I solved it twice before. So this is, and you can still do dynamic programming. I want to pass Larry the dynamic programming. Nope, it seems like I did it the same way. But yeah. Oh yeah, and I even did the one-liner. So yeah, yeah, I think that's all I have for this one. This is linear time, constant space. I'm a little bit lazy, a little bit tired today maybe, but we did a lot of, like, you can also do this with dynamic programming, but I have very recent videos of this, and I think they're pretty okay at explaining this. So let me know what you think. This one's a little bit tricky to kind of visualize, but I would say because you have infinite amount of buys and sell, you just buy it one day and then sell it tomorrow, only if it makes a profit, right? There's no reason to kind of hold it in between or whatever. Anyway, maybe this is a shorter video, so I'll see you later. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see you later. Bye bye.